Welcome, balls, and thanks for viewing. In this tutorial, we're going to use Modify My Booking to change our existing booking. We are demonstrating this as a student who is in a roommate group with another student, but the process is the same for students who are not in a roommate group. In other videos on the channel, we'll have tutorials on how to make your initial room selection. Prior to moving in, you can use the Modify My Booking as often as you want to select from rooms that become available throughout the summer. After moving in, there is a different process to request a room change. We've already logged into the portal, so we can go straight to the Manage My Housing tab and select which term we have an existing booking. I can see my current booking in South Carrick Hall on the Fall 2022 Spring 2023 contract. The system knows that I have an existing booking. It takes me straight to my contract summary page. I can also see all of the steps that I have already completed. If I want to go back and review one of those steps, I would just click the menu item and could go review those pages. In this case, my roommate matching. I can see that I am in a roommate group and that my roommate's first name is listed. We're going to return to the contract summary page. We're going to select the Modify My Booking option and click Continue. The system takes me to a process that works exactly like room selection. I can see all the buildings that have vacant space that fit my criteria for gender, student type, and living and learning community participation. I'm going to search for a room in Reese Hall. I can see each room that has vacancies. I can see how many beds are in the room, as well as how many beds are currently vacant in that room. I can also see how many beds are available in the entire suite. Since I'm selecting for myself and my roommate, I need to search for a room with 2 vacancies. I can filter by suite to see only rooms where the bedrooms are in the same suite. I'm going to choose a suite with 2 empty beds in the same bedroom. I'm going to add 1 bedroom to my cart. You can now see that I have items in my cart. Those items will become unavailable to other users in the system for the duration of this timer, so it cannot be booked by someone else while I'm completing the remaining steps. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Save and Continue. I can now select which bed in the room I want. I need to place my roommate in a bed as well, so I select which bed space will belong to them. Now that everyone is settled, I click Assign Beds. This takes me to a final confirmation page. I can see my current booking, as well as my pending new booking. As soon as I click Save and Continue, my old booking will be canceled and released to the marketplace, and my pending new booking will become reserved. If I've changed my mind, I can click Go Back and start over. I can now review my contract summary. I can see that my roommate and I are assigned to a new suite. I can also see who else is assigned to the suite, or if there are vacant beds. I can now go back to manage my housing. And I can see that my room booking has been added to my contract information. View our other videos to learn how to make an initial booking, as well as other room selection topics. Thanks for watching, and go Vols!